Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a brunch, super easy, quick and very tasty, with simple ingredients that we all have at home. So stay tuned to find out how I make it. If you are new to my channel, press on the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Click on the like and share my videos with your family and friends. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients, you will need some sliced mushrooms, some plum baby tomatoes cut in half, 1 avocado, chopped parsley, 1 chopped onion, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, some black pepper, and sliced fresh bread. In a hot pan, add the olive oil, then add the onions and fry the onions for 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown. When the onions are cooked, add the plum baby tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the tomato so they don't become too soft. We want to keep the shape of the tomato. Then add the mushrooms, stir a little bit, add the salt, the black pepper, the chopped parsley, and stir well to combine all the ingredients. Then cook until the mushrooms are soft. When the mushrooms are cooked, transfer into a plate, then set aside, and let's start the next step. Into the egg, add the salt, the black pepper, and beat well. Then in the same pan where we cooked the onion and the tomato, pour the eggs, add some chopped parsley, and cook the egg to your liking. Next, cut the avocado into quarters and place into the bowl. Then drizzle a little bit of lemon so the avocado don't become black. Then mash the avocado into a puree. Now that all our ingredients are ready, let's start spreading some avocado into our sliced breads. And be generous with the avocado. Don't miss any part of the bread. Spread it well all over. Then add the eggs and be also generous. So spread it well. Add it well all over the bread. So with the quantity I gave you, I made 4 sliced breads. Now add the tomato mixture, the tomato, onion and mushroom. And be generous. Remember, this is a brunch. We haven't had breakfast. So we need to have a nice brunch. A nice filling brunch. Don't miss any part. Then let's finish garnishing our sliced bread that we filled with all this goodness. So I'm going to add a little leaf of parsley because it looks good. And before we start eating, we like to see things, we like to see something nice on our plate. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley. And I've garnished my plate as well with some sliced cucumbers and some black olives. If you don't like black olives, it's optional. You can have green olives. Or sometimes what I do, I add a little bit of feta cheese as well. So just garnish it with whatever you fancy. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, because black pepper tastes nice. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil to finish my brunch. Et voila, our brunch is ready to be served. This sliced bread is so filling and is so good. It's healthy, delicious, and it's a nice vegetarian dish to have during the weekend. If you never tried it, it's time to do it, and I promise you won't regret it. And don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know how it turned out for you. Bon appétit! Before you leave, remember to press on the blue finger to like my video and to support me. If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends. And before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.